Yeah, don't mind me. I'm just out here smoking some capers and some lemons on the Traeger. Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, today we're doing a piccata. Hey, it's in conjunction with a collab with a great friend of mine, a great YouTuber. He was doing a poll on his website, what should I make next? And one of the answers was chicken piccata. And I was like, Tommy, I'm doing chicken piccata Monday. He's like, hey Corey, you know what? Let's do a little collab, you and I together. So that's what we're doing today. Don't forget to check out Tommy, the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. I'll have it up top and I'll have him down below. And you can go check him out. He's got great content. Great content. Knows what he's doing around every turn. Hey, chicken piccata next on Cooking with Corey. You know I'm going to throw a twist or a turn in there along the way. That's the way we do it here on Cooking with Corey. Hey, let's get this cook going next. All right, our ingredients of the day. We got butter, we got garlic, we got shallot, we got some intense wine, we got some lemon, we got some olive oil, we got some capers, which are out on the smoker, along with the lemons. Obviously some flour, some chicken stock or broth, and obviously some delicious chicken breasts that we will cut down to smaller ones. And since I am using some of Jen's wine, I better be a good boy and pour her a glass before I use her wine.
All right, thanks, Corey.
All right, let's get cooking next. All right, guys, tonight we are doing one serving. And before we fire up Chop-O-Matic, we're gonna work on our chicken breast here. Probably about a 6-ounce chicken breast right there. And we're just gonna cut this in half. We're gonna take our knife, we're gonna put our hand, impeccably clean hands, as you all know right here. And we're just gonna go like this, right down the middle. And voila, you got two thin pieces of delicious smart chicken right there. Hey, Chop-O-Matic next. All right, Chop-O-Matic did his job. We got a half of a shallot chopped. We got 1 clove of garlic chopped, and we got a bunch of parsley chopped, and I did make some little circles that'll be garnished for the top. And Chop-O-Matic did make us some delicious thin, really wafer thin slices that we're actually going to put into our piccata. Okay folks, before we go on any further, we're gonna make a beurre monet, which is a thicken. You can thicken soups, you can thicken sauces, you can thicken whatever. I don't know if we're gonna need this, we probably will. So what it entails is 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of flour. What you do is you mix this together and it will come together to a paste. And what you do is at the end, when you're doing the sauce, when you're doing the soup, this will thicken it. So you can put a little nub in, a little nub in, a little nub in. It will thicken it, add some richness to it. It'll be delicious. And this is exactly what it should look like. It could be soupier than that. People do it different. And like I said, it's a little tool you need. Hey, your soup's not as thick as you want. Your sauce isn't as thick as you want at the end. You're like, gosh darn it, what am I gonna do? This is what you do. All right, we worked hard on smoking our delicious lemons. We're gonna need a half cup of lemon juice. So you squeeze that into a strainer, or you can squeeze it over your hands, but these are smoked lemons, so they're gonna have a little bit of an off color to them. I'm gonna keep doing that. I probably only use 1/4 of a cup, to be honest with you. It's gonna be pretty potent because we're only doing 1 serving. So, and don't forget, we did our delicious, wonderful capers too, our smoked Right, what I've done here is I've added some of our smoked capers into our quarter pan. I'm gonna add just a few more, be a little over a tablespoon. And this is obviously for one serving. So we got our smoked lemon juice and our smoked capers in there. Quarter cup and a tablespoon, a little over a tablespoon of capers. All right, let's flour out some chicken next and get over to the stove. Got our 2 chicken cutlets here ready to go. So they're gonna need salt. Kosher salt. Or Himalayan, whatever you want, or use iodized, I don't care. Both sides. We're gonna hit them with fresh cracked pepper. I'll hit those at both sides. It is time to flour our delicious chicken scallopini or cut down chicken. So boom. I did season this flour just a smidge, not a lot since I already seasoned the chicken. Need a little bit of that flour on there to help thicken that sauce, but hey, remember we got the vermini over there to help us out at the end. Make sure it gets all coated. It's good protection. Gives you a good, delicious golden coat. All right, guys, let's get going. All right, here we are. Hey, we got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in that pan, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. And what that does is that oil's got a higher smoke point than this butter. So we're not burning stuff in our pan. I mean, nothing's gonna be burnt here. And that's the way we like it. So, hey, that's looking good, and our chicken should be going in there. Yep. So put one. We'll put both our breasts in there. Hey, and those are gonna cook. So we get nice and brown on one side, probably 2-3 minutes. All right, time to flip. Look at our stuff here. Boom, look at that color on that. Look at the color, look at the color. Another minute on this side, minute and a half. We're gonna pull those and we'll build our sauce. All right, we are back. Time to get our chicken out. So our chicken comes out. We'll reduce this pan to like a medium heat, and we're gonna throw in our shallot, like so. And it won't take long for that shallot to get acquainted with that oil and all those delicious droppings from our chicken. And then we're going with the garlic. Boom, just like that. Just give it a sec. Now obviously this pan is pretty hot, so it's not taking long. So we're gonna hit it and deglaze with our white wine. We can take everything off the bottom. As such. All right, beautiful. We're gonna give that maybe a minute. All right, folks, we are back. Hey, look at our wine. Look at that. Look at that. It's got syrupy. That's good. Time to add chicken stock. Boom goes the chicken stock. And boom goes our lemon juice and our capers. Our smoked lemon juice, well, our smoked lemons and our smoked capers. And right now, we're gonna reduce that a little bit and then we'll put our chicken back in shortly. We are reducing wonderfully. Time to put the chicken back in. Back into that little bath there. Yeah. We'll get some on top of that chicken. We're gonna add some of those delicious thin sliced pieces of lemon that, you know, I did. Chop-o-matic did, excuse me, it wasn't me. Add a little bit of parsley at this time, not all of it, just a little, just to get the party started there. Get that off there, get that off there, so they can cook a little bit, so that can actually be a part of your dish. All right, we're gonna let this reduce a little bit, and we'll do the brumaine. I'll show you how that thickens that up here. All right, look at our delicious chicken piccata. Now we can keep going, and it will be fine. And hey, there's nothing wrong with this sauce being a little bit loose. That's, you know, that's the way it was intended. But I like it a little thicker. So here we go with some of our brumaine. We're gonna Add that to the mix there, and we're gonna see what happens here. I'll keep you on here quick, and we'll show you. Keep it moving because it is butter. Keep that moving into that sauce throughout, or stirring if you're doing a soup or whatever. All right, now you can see it. Look at that. Look at that, peeps. Look at that. Now, that is nappe. It's another French term. So we can put that on here. We can run our finger through it like so. That's nappe. This is done. We're pulling this. Turn off the heat. We're gonna plate next. All right, we are back. We're getting ready to plate this. We'll get the heat back up on it. But my main thing is right now is we're getting our chicken out of here. The chicken goes onto a plate with the majority of our sauce. So this is gonna go over here. I said the majority because we are laying some pasta in here right now. You see all that? We're not gonna waste that. Angel hair pasta, right here, into the mix. Give it a good swirl in there. Hit it with just a smidge of olive oil. We already got the tons of flavor running through this. Get on the sides, get it around. Go ahead and kill that heat all the way off now. See, we got that little lemon in there. All right, now we got all that throughout that. Hey, plate this bad boy chicken piccata next. All right, everybody, it's time to make our dish, plate our dish actually. We already made it. Here's that pasta that we had. And we finished off in our pan. So we'll do that delicious lemon. Little capers getting along the way. Here's our chicken that we worked so hard on. Here's one piece of our chicken, piccata. Here's our other piece of our chicken piccata. And there's our sauce. Tell me that does not look good to everybody. All right, let's finish it off. Oops, it fell down, that's all right. Finish off with the lemon twirl. Some parsley. Parsley there. And some more parsley on it. All right, guys, I'd like to thank Tommy at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue for, you know what, this was fun. A little collab between him and I, and I'm sure his dish is gonna look equally as good or probably better. But you know, Tommy, I like to put a little whatever in mine, a little different, make you think. Hey, don't forget to check out Tommy, the Gallery Backyard Barbecue, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. We'll be back next week. Love you.